Hey everyone, it's Monica from Massage Therapy Media, and I'm here with Victoria Bilousova, who's from Toronto.
Yep.
I know, you guys are all waiting after interviewing all these people that are internationally known from Japan and Switzerland and France. Okay, but just kidding aside, you are from somewhere else, obviously. Well, let everybody.
Originally, I'm from Ukraine, but I live in Canada during 3 years since now.
So everyone out there, I don't know if you remember, but last year, it was last year or the year before?
No, it was 2023.
So 2023, I was on the receiving end of her competition doing facial massage. It was unbelievable. You won that category back then, right? Did you go?
No, I went second.
You came second, yeah?
Yeah, because of the category just called like freestyle.
Yeah.
You didn't have the category of facial. Just the freestyle, Western, Eastern.
Okay.
So I was participating in the freestyle category.
It didn't matter. It was incredible. It was incredible. Now, what are you doing here this year?
This year and the previous year, I'm judging the facial category and the Swedish and the wellness one as well. And I would like to tell you that, it's really hard to be a judge. It's a huge responsibility, especially when I know already that I was on that side, like a participant.
Okay.
To be a participant, it's more easy, in fact. You should keep calm, do your best, because you did it like 1,000 of times before. Just keep calm. But when you are judging, you don't want to miss like anything. You have to be very focused, and it's really a huge responsibility to us.
You would never think that. You would think that as a participant, it's just way harder. That's amazing that you're saying this. Now, to get to be a judge here at the Canadian Massage Championships, because we forgot to tell you, we're here at the Canadian Massage Championships in Laval, Quebec. But how do you achieve that level of judge to be here?
Well, a lot of people ask me about that, and you just need to do your best on your area of massaging. For me, it's just like my passion. It's a face, and I do a lot of different facial massage techniques. And the judges and holders of all these events, they're just following us. They're talking to us, and they can understand what we are doing in our area.
But as a how did you become the judge? Did you have to be a specialist in a specialized technique, or did you have to already compete here for you to become?
Yeah, usually you have to be very well skilled in your area.
Okay. Yeah.
And the second, yes, for sure, you have to be visible to the public.
Okay.
You have to compete somewhere. You have to show what you can do, what you can bring, and your level of your knowledge and skills as well.
That's what I'm looking for. What are you looking for though as a judge? Because you said it is very difficult.
Yeah, it's
what are you name me 3 things, and you can name a category or whatever, but out there, how the people that are looking to participate in this event, what would they have to show to you?
First of all, it's your personality. I always tell them, please don't copy some technique.
Okay.
Everyone can copy a technique. You can just take some parts if you would like, but create your own scheme and apply your own energy to this technique, and it will be your technique, in fact. Show me your stuff, not someone's.
Do you know when people are trying to imitate somebody else?
Yes.
Ah, you do you? Okay. All right, that's one. Give me one more thing that you would be looking for.
Of course, it's a technique.
Yeah.
Of course, it's like a competition. It's always slightly about the show stuff.
Okay.
But don't pay attention to that. The first and foremost, it's a technique. It's the result that we should expect after.
Okay.
So it should be very logically structured, not like the house stuff, please.
I understand.
Logically structured. Of course, it's a flow and the energy, and we are looking for the overall image, like the picture of the participant.
Now, are you still practicing?
Yes.
Where are you practicing?
In Toronto.
In Toronto?
Yeah.
So all of our Canadian friends out there that are in Ontario, they're going to want to come and see you now because you are incredible. What's your favorite treatment?
facial. No, really.
Facial.
But facial massage is not about like just the face.
Oh, no.
Of course, it's about the
Definitely.
neck and chest, because when your chest is still like closed,
Yeah.
your posture is very poor,
Yeah.
and your neck is going forward, and everything is pulling down. So, like, open your
Pull
chest. Yes.
Well, being able to have the experience with you, it's definitely not a spa treatment. You were, like, this was a treatment,
Yes.
correct? I mean, there's still muscles in
Yes.
the face. Tell me a little bit more about some of the techniques that you use.
Most of them, it's not about the lymphatic drainage is, of course, important.
Yes.
But I'm focusing on the muscle stuff. So for me, it's very important to like regulate the muscles, depressors, levators, and sphincters.
Okay.
So we need to release the tension from the muscle, and then the face is like will be naturally
All around, all around.
Yeah.
Amazing, amazing. So I'm hoping that you're having some more fun. How many more competitions do you have to judge today?
Today,
2 more, and then there's a gala.
yes.
We're gonna rip it up on the dance floor tonight.
Yeah.
Victoria, it's always a pleasure to have you, come out here and talk to everybody out in Massage Therapy Media Land. So thank you again, and we
you.
look forward to seeing you again next year.
Yeah. Of course.
Awesome.
Thank you.
So you can have fun. I love it.